What about the theory that these retaliatory tariffs are part of a Nixonian grand strategy, like dropping the gold standard was to solve America's debt problem by forcing down treasury yields and weakening the dollar? That's a theory that has some purchase right now.
Well, I do believe the dollar will be weakened. I mean, most political theory is, or economic theory is, tariffs raise the value of the currency. I think it's going to weaken the dollar. Um, and Look, one thing I would say with certain, the economy is weakening as we speak, and so the need for the administration to focus on these pro-growth agendas, which was much of what the president campaigned on, we have to get that going. Whatever it's the tax cut, we need to be deregulating, we need to be streamlining permitting, exactly all the things I've been writing about, where we need to get the private capital, private markets to start investing in the United States. We need to, and I think right now the market's not focusing on all these. We forgot about the power of AI, the power of all these different changes. We're focusing on the market, but the macro trends of AI, the macro trends of rebuilding our infrastructure, these macro, and if the president is successful in deregulating, if he's successful in streamlining permitting, then we could go back to this view that we have a major growth agenda in front of us. The president has been focusing on right now areas that, in my mind, in the short run, are very inflationary and destabilizing the economy, and that's what we've been talking about. But if we can find ways of rebuilding growth through these agendas, and then, as I said at the beginning, the market declines. We're going to look back and say this might be a good entry level to get back into the market.
Are we headed for a recession? Are we in a recession?
Most CEOs I talk to would say we are probably in a recession right now.
Right now.
Right now. A couple of airline CEOs told me, one CEO specifically said, the airline industry is like a proverbial bird in a coal mine, canary in the coal mine, and I was told that the canary is sick already. If you look at what's going on in air traffic and how people are changing and how so many people who, like Canadians, who are not coming to the United States, we're seeing in various different sectors a real downturn.